Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite movies. Judy Hopps, Paw Patrol, Nick Wilde, Robin Hood, Gary Deesnake, Rio 2, Judith, Stuart a Little, Paubert Linksley, The Lion King, Officer Clawhauser, Madagascar, Nibbles Maplestick, Ice Age, Mr. Big, Ratatouille, Gazelle, Sing, Antony, Ferdinand, Finnick, The Secret Life of Pets, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite drinks. Judy Hopps, Pepsi, Nick Wilde, Fanta, Gary Deesnake, Gatorade, Judith, Starbucks, Paubert Linksley, Sprite Zero, Officer Clawhauser, Sunkissed, Nibbles Maplestick, Zevia, Mr. Big, Coffee, Gazelle, Prime, Antony, Coke Zero, Finnick, Root Beer, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite apps. Judy Hopps, Facebook, Nick Wilde, Reddit, Gary Deesnake, Telegram, Judith, Instagram, Paubert Linksley, X app, Officer Clawhauser, Discord, Nibbles Maplestick, Spotify, Mr. Big, TikTok, Gazelle, Twitch, Antony, YouTube, Finnick, Amazon. Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite fast food restaurants. Judy Hopps, Shake Shark, Nick Wilde, Whataburger, Gary Deesnake, Culver's, Judith, Pinkberry, Paubert Linksley, Chipotle, Officer Clawhauser, Popeyes, Nibbles Maplestick, A&W, Mr. Big, Five Guys, Gazelle, Taco Bell, Antony, McDonald's, Finnick, Subway. Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite hobbies. Judy Hopps, Police Training, Nick Wilde, Street Hustling, Gary Deesnake, Forest Exploring, Judith, Modeling, Paubert Linksley, Guard Patrolling, Officer Clawhauser, Eating Donuts, Nibbles Maplestick, Fishing, Mr. Big, Sleeping and Dreaming, Gazelle, Stage Performing, Antony, Counting Containers, Finnick, Driving. Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite snacks. Judy Hopps, Pop-Tarts, Nick Wilde, Cheetos, Gary D-Snake, Doritos, Judith, Pocky, Paubert Linksley, Oreo, Officer Clawhauser, Goldfish Crackers, Nibbles Maple Stick, Lay's, Mr. Big, Wilde, Gazelle, Takis, Anthony, Cheez-It, Finnick, Pringles, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite mobile games. Judy Hopps, Subway Surfers, Nick Wilde, Among Us, Gary D-Snake, Snake.io, Judith, Dress Up, Paubert Linksley, Roblox, Officer Clawhauser, Candy Crush Saga, Nibbles Maple Stick, Minecraft, Mr. Big, Hitman Sniper, Gazelle, Magic Tiles 3, Anthony, Shadow Fight 3, Finnick, Plants vs. Zombies, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their biggest fears. Judy Hopps, Letting Others Down, Nick Wilde, Muzzles, Gary D-Snake, Public Exposure, Judith, Annoying Mr. Big Family, Paubert Linksley, Gary D-Snake, Officer Clawhauser, Being Ignored, Nibbles Maple Stick, Water, Mr. Big, Family Danger, Gazelle, Stage Failure, Anthony, Losing His Job, Finnick, Small Spaces, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite desserts. Judy Hopps, Muffins, Nick Wilde, Orange Sorbet, Gary D-Snake, Blue Velvet Cake, Judith, Cupcakes, Paubert Linksley, Vanilla Ice Cream, Officer Clawhauser, Donuts, Nibbles Maple Stick, Chocolate Brownies, Mr. Big, Oreo Cheesecake, Gazelle, Grape Jelly Tart, Anthony, Red Velvet Cake, Finnick, Pistachio Gelato, Zootopia 2 movie characters and their favorite fruits. Judy Hopps, Blueberries, Nick Wilde, Oranges, Gary D-Snake, Bananas, Judith, Dragon Fruits, Paubert Linksley, Coconuts, Officer Clawhauser, Figs, Nibbles Maple Stick, Dates, Mr. Big, Blackberries, Gazelle, Grapes, Anthony, Strawberries, Finnick, Apples.